Diba guys, ang balkon na ma-practice ko. Do not give up. Yes. Oh my gosh! Labit na lang to, bro. Why man kumigil? Wait lang! Ayan na.
Give up when times are hard. Do not give up. Have a happy heart. Do not give up. Pray and obey. When you get scared, let me hear you say. Do 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 do. Do not give up. Do 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 do. Do not give up. Do not give up when times are hard. Do not give up. Have a happy heart. Do not give up. Pray and obey. When you get scared, let me hear you say. Do 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 do. Do not give up. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do not give up. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do not give up. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do not give up.
Ano gitna guys? Tapos ako na yun. Ako lang isang mahambal sa stage na made this song remind us to trust God and never give up. No matter what we face, we should not give up. Dapat guys, hindi kami malumpat. Amo na ang bali ma'am. Kiki para hindi masakit ang dugaan. Nagsakit na dugaan ko. Why ko nag-jump?
Sige na, relax na. Nai-off na.
Naki-wait lang. Ang dayon.
Nan. Tama na na.
Philippines mash up. Philippines mash up 2026. Yikes. Di na di.
Prospect.
Coco. Siya. Yan. Big guy. Ladi. Diin.
Ano ko. Dapat may Philippine mashup daw.
Oo, mundi na saot. Yari? Wala tala ni gano. Saot sa siya.
Ano. Kung ano ba yung... Ano naman gusto na mashup?
Hindi. You? Space or Y?
Search.
Search lang. Okay, panita. Ko diya. Grabe ba AI nagrani I might be small. Sing along kids music video. Mommy, Ano nga nila mo, ginasaot sa school. Dugay!
Tama na na.
Ay!
Nainom ko sa drinks.
Oh my gosh. Nagambal ka tani sa school. Hindi na lang niya.
Dala niya kami gaya chat na
Wait
sa
lang.
akon. Sa office.
Nakawit lang. Kay sa utol pa. Ay, hindi. Ito ganyan mo sa utol naman. Dayon. Ang ito ganyan liwat. Ng... Raining taco. Amoniyo.
This wooden fish is specially designed for young people as a stress relief toy with a round, appealing shape. Place
So much fun with more than one. It's 5 times fun.
5 times 1. Amoniyo mo sa ito. It's raining tacos in Roblox. Raining tacos.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a treat. Yum, 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 yum. Bring your sour cream.
shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Hindi man tubo. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Thank you.
Don't forget to send Gcash and stores. 100 kabilog na stores para pero dapat hindi ka makapoy tumok sa mga stores. Gusto ko maano ka lang happy emoji or else don't forget some Gcash or else and stores 100 stores. You don't need to be tired. Wow, time to go to your house. I know where's your house. Good. Wow. Okay, this but goodbye.